Good morning team, my name is Des Victory and welcome to the channel. We are presently at Balhena train station with the aim of following the line all the way down to Tailem Bend. This station opened in April 1883. There were originally 3 platforms. The main platform had a weatherboard signal cabin, a ticket office and the resident engineer's office. This is the site of the Ambleside station. No sign of it now except for these gates, which are typical of railway gates of the period. Mount Barker Junction Station opened in 1883. There was a main platform with a timber station building identical to the one we saw at Balhena. Next to that was a tall signal box. As well, there was an island platform. The timber building and signal box were replaced with this current brick building in 1943. This station closed in 1984 when the Victor line was separated. So this of course is the junction line that no longer gets used and heads off in that direction to Littlehampton and then Mount Barker. So this is the train station at Nairn. Nairn train station opened in November 1883 and for quite a while was the terminus of the Adelaide-Wolseley line. Nairn had 2 platforms, the smaller one with a shed type shelter. The station closed at the end of 1990. As can be seen, the station still has its steam era water tank and its goods shed. Next destination is Petwood. Okay, this is as close as we're going to get to Petwood. We're up on an elevated road and the train line runs down a little valley just below us, or just behind Quest. Anyway, this is as close as we're going to get. Ballyarta. Okay, the location given for Ballyarta sighting is in fact the location of the Cullington Mine works. Obviously we can't go any closer there. Okay, we just stopped at the site of the Callington train station. There doesn't appear to be anything left of it now, except for this rather large shed, which may or may not be of its infrastructure. In its day, the station had a ticket office and a large shelter shed. There was a second platform with a shelter shed as well. There was a resident station master in Callington, and the station master's house still exists and is in use as a B&B, I believe. Okay, this is Monarto South. We've been here before only a few weeks ago, so no point spending very much time here, and there's no point looking for the train station. That's been moved to Old Tailem Town. There was a small spur line at this point to service an adjacent granite quarry. The project fell through and the line was taken up. Anyway, we move on. Okay, the first train to Murray Bridge came in 1885. The original Murray Bridge was built in 1880 and used for both rail and road traffic. The present rail bridge was not built until 1925. Okay, down at the wharf at Murray Bridge, they've got a combined train and wharfside goods handling dedication. These would have been combined railway and paddle boats goods handling yards. We have, I think, 2 more stops to find before Tailem Bend. First is Rabbula. Let's go. Okay, behind me is the little community of Monteith. The Monteith train station was opened for passengers in 1911. As late as July 1975, you could ask for the passenger train to drop you off here. The actual train station has since been demolished. So this is Warton. It was a recognised stop for passengers between Tailem Bend and Murray Bridge. It's often not realised the significance of Tailem Bend as a railway town. So this is our last train station for the day at Tailem Bend. These days the building holds a railway museum with a working signal box. Alright, this was our last stop for the day. This trip was put together at fairly short notice, but nevertheless I hope you've enjoyed the day, and thank you so much for coming along. We will see you next time.